Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi guys, welcome to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul. Guys, AI is everywhere, right? In this video, I'll show you how you can write professional emails using AI. No guys, I'm not going to talk about go ChatGPT, give the template, etc, etc, etc. I'm telling about in your compose box of your Gmail, you can write professional emails with the help of AI. Because Gemini, yes, the Google's products, Gemini is now integrated with your Gmail and you can write professional emails directly in your inbox. No need to go to GPT or any other AI like Meta or anywhere. Want to see how? Watch the video till the end. Guys, V.I Tech Academy offer online courses to the print disabilities and without disabilities. Our courses includes Basic to Advanced Computer, WordPress Launchpad, Advanced Excel, The Art of Sound Designing with Reaper, Python Programming, Web Development Fundamentals with HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and more courses coming soon. For more details, check out our website from the About page of our channel. Guys, if you are interested to support us, you can join us as a member. Membership starts at 29 rupees only. Click on the join button to learn more. Thank you so much those who have already joined us as a member. So guys, I have already opened one email and one compose
the
box.
Recipient's combo
So
box
first
focus
option is
collapsed
2.
as
You know already how to send the mail. I'm not going to discuss them.
subject edit subject blank table help me write all
Okay, now here you already listen help me write. So just I'm
help me
writing
write
some
all
email.
plus
Let's say I'm typing dear
sir
sir okay,
space
student.
dear student blank.
Let's say I'm going to send the professional notice for the final exam of like WordPress Launchpad course, okay, or a reminder, let's say. So I'm just writing what I can write. So simply I write
SIHT. It is review that your pick up work the add core is at 6 p.m. in time. Please. OF space B the 2 F get the certificate.
Okay, I have just written this one line or something else I'll write also.
Polished. You will be given a Google form with 50 quest. So what's to answer? You will get
2 points for each.
Space. You must have 50
score to get the certificate.
Be all the best.
So this is the mail I write. Just
Dear student, this is to remind you that your final exam of WordPress Launchpad course is scheduled today at 6 p.m. Indian time. Please attend the exam to get the certificate. You will be given a Google form with 50 questions to answer. You will get 2 points for each. You must have 50 score to get the certificate. All the best. Best regards.
Okay. Now this is not a professional email. So I want to write this as a professional email. So what I can do is I can press Alt H and it will open the help me write option.
Polish 1 of 5.
First is polish. It will just polish.
Formalize 2
Down
of
arrow.
5.
Formalize. This email will be formalized.
Elaborate 3 of 5.
Elaborate this email will elaborate more.
Shorten 4 of 5.
Shorten, this email will be shortened, message will be shortened.
Help me write 5 of 5.
That's
Polish 1 of 5. Formalize 2 of 5.
So I want to formalize. What I do is I can just press enter here and it will give me one preview. I'm pressing enter.
Inbox 28. Team V.I Tech
NC.
Academy. Close suggestions.
Close suggestion option is there. I'm just going down arrow. I'm pressing down arrow.
Dear student. Blank. This email serves as a reminder regarding your final examination for the WordPress Launchpad course, which is scheduled for today at 6 p.m. India Standard Time. Your attendance is required to be eligible for the course completion certificate.
Okay.
Blank. The examination will be conducted via a Google form consisting of 50 questions. Each question carries a weight of 2 points, and a minimum score of 50 points is necessary to receive the certificate. Blank. We wish you the very best in your examination.
Okay. So all these things are there.
Blank. Sincerely.
So sincerely, etc. Even the signature is
V.I Tech
also
Academy.
included. Now how to insert? You can just directly press enter or
Close suggestion button.
close. I'm pressing tab. Okay.
Clickable. Rate as a good suggestion. Rate as a bad
Tab.
send feedback button.
Tab.
Learn more about
Tab.
AI. Blank. Recreate button.
You can recreate if you want.
Refine menu button. Collapsed sub menu.
Some refine option is there.
Button
See?
insert. Menu button. Collapsed sub menu.
Let's see what's
Refine. Formal elaborate radio menu item
So
not
if
checked
you
2 of 3.
change, if you want to change, you can change it. Otherwise,
Formal insert button.
click on insert. So if I press enter here,
Clickable message body edit multi-line
Now see.
out of region clickable heading level 2
Oh, sorry, I
new
need to go
message
to
region
this
clickable message body edit
now see.
and
See.
dear student blank. This is to remind you that your final exam of WordPress Launch 6 you will be given must have all the best. Blank. Dear student, line feed selected.
The main problem is it will be pasted just below your things, just below your email.
Dear student, line blank. This email serves as a dear student.
So you just need
blank.
to
All the
adjust.
best. Blank.
I mean,
Dear
remove
line
this.
blank line feed. Dear
And
this course
clear
the
this.
blank the carries of certif blank. We wish you the blank sincerely.
Also remove this
line feed
this
selected.
part,
Team V.I dash
signature part,
unselected.
because signature we already have. Okay, so now we can send it. So with this minor issues, I think we can easily we can easily use this help me write feature for improving our emails. So I hope you like this video and you find this content useful. If yes, please press the like button and share this video with the students or professionals who are not able to write professional emails due to any reason. Don't forget to write down your opinion into the comment section, and if you have any questions or queries or specific tools, you can suggest us into the comment section. If you are interested to get updated, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Thank you so much guys for watching the video till the end. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.